Welcome to QuestCraft. This is a game where you and your friends become heroes in epic adventures. Every quest is designed to be fun and helps you practice teamwork, creativity, and skills like coding and circuitry, or learn about history and other cultures. In QuestCraft, you step into the shoes of a character, like a brave warrior, a clever inventor, or even a mischievous toddler, and go on a quest together. Instead of just watching a story, you help make that story happen. Every hero has a character sheet. It tells you your hero's name and what they look like, a cool title, and a quote that shows their personality and what they care about. It also shows your hero's stat bonuses. These are the things that you're extra good at. When you're playing your character in the adventure, sometimes you'll want to do something risky, like jump over a pit, solve a tricky puzzle, or convince a grumpy spirit to help you. That's when you roll the big 20-sided die. Depending on your move, you'll use strength, which utilizes muscles, speed, or athletic skill, wisdom, your knowledge, smarts, problem-solving, or just remembering stuff, or charisma, being friendly, funny, social, tricky, and sneaky. Roll high, and awesome things will happen. Roll low, and you'll need to get clever. Your hero starts with 10 hit points. If you lose them all, you'll be knocked out. Don't worry, there are usually ways to heal and get back up. Every great hero stumbles sometimes. Before each quest, you pick a backpack of items. Magical tools, wacky gadgets, or surprising supplies. They can all help in unexpected ways, especially if you find creative ways to use them. The Game Master, the person running the adventure, sets the world and challenges. You and your team use your characters, your dice, and your imaginations to interact with the world the Game Master presents to you and find solutions to problems. Remember, there is no single right answer. The fun is in coming up with creative ideas as a team. So, grab your dice, pack your backpack, and get ready to craft your own quest. In QuestCraft, the story doesn't start without you.